You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.
But I don't understand this kind of tradition when it be say you go put well.
So if you know, say your wife cheats, you can't eat food where she cook.
Just bone the thing. Your first pikin where you born
You
go
can't
get
get
stroke. You know, say traditionally, like we say for Bible or for traditions or for different ethnic background, cheating they frowned on against women.
Yes.
But for men, na normal.
For men, they go say na normal.
Na normal. If for Bible, then go stone the woman. That one where they talk say,
they not bring the man.
They not bring the man where wipe am.
They don't even talk for the.
They not mention the man.
Maybe that the man named Jesus right for ground.
Maybe that the man name. He just write speak Darlington.
No, I don't think name it.
Write the video. How to face.
So they try to talk say Two-Face don't they exist from
No, we all see we are our ancestors. As I did, so I be my ancestor.
You know, so sometimes you get the person that they behave. If you check and where, if you find out, say, nah, so this person
great grandpapa,
200 years ago,
they behave.
like just like me. The day when they born me,
Eh.
my grandpapa died the previous day. They can't born me the next day. They can't name me. He don't come back.
Now, you see, but spiritually, this thing, if I talk this thing now, some people not gonna understand. You know, say as you did here, so now person come out for this earth for you.
Really?
I don't understand that one.
I don't understand.
No, but this
Somebody that give you space.
somebody like
Come
you
on,
space
I got
for
it.
your family. For your family, you get what people people they call it only now go. I don't know how I want to explain now.
Okay.
For me, my own, now my papa, father.
I come out for you.
My papa shock the day where I ask her. The day where I get more than enough our topic, we go come back to them. The day where I get spiritual awakening, opening for eye, where I can't get that rema, that knowledge. I think and go deep into the thing. Come my papa. I can't ask and say, now who go for me? I was shocked. He said, what make me the ask? I said, I just want to ask. He said, now your father. Now you go for me. Since that day was my father, my papa gave fear me.
That means that my grandpapa do for me, sir, because at the time when he died, and the next day they born me.
My papa became
Okay,
fear me.
so for me, my mama lost the kid after 3 days when I born a boy. 3 days of birth, the boy died, said to head injury. Then I think that the following year, 2 years later,
They come born you. So you don't be boy before.
So you don't be born now transgender. You be transgender. She don't. You do. Anyway, back to what we discuss. God will talk say. For now when they talk say, every lady who don't talk to now on top of this matter, don't talk say almost most say 99% God. All of them don't talk say, oh, if my husband cheat on me, I'm not gonna leave her more. I go remain for the marriage. Even the one who just married, the one who say he just did 6 years for marriage, I will not let him be doing it outside as long as he does not bring it inside. Joy, Mama ask you, if the person where you date cheat on you, you go break up the relationship.
I go break up.
Okay, good for you. Cynthia or Jennifer, you wait there for inside studio. If person where you date cheat on you, you go break up the relationship.
Like, if you don't marry, you come.
If you don't marry,
If you don't marry,
if you don't marry,
what you go do?
If I don't marry,
if you don't marry, what you go do? You go give another chance if you don't marry. Now, as you give what now? Lady J, you said you give another chance if you don't marry.
we use that view.
Now, now the question now say you will leave your husband because of say your husband cheat on you. You don't get children for the husband. You can't carry waka come out. Say you know they do marriage again. Who you now? Not the married man go still they sleep with you later.
Later when
Because no the husband go don't go.
why they laugh now?
No, see,
Why they laugh?
no.
You don't know people.
You come they chase small boys.
They go say no, they go stay on their own. They're not
No!
going to man.
When go sorry, something go scratch you.
Until they remarry.
It go scratch you until like man. Now who are marry you with 3 children? Who are marry you with 2 children?
You should say somebody know they when no go mind the children.
How many people you know?
How many?
women when they
I
remarry?
know. But how many women you
How
know
many
when
women?
get 3 children when they don't remarry?
Yes, how many people you
I
know?
don't say they no deal, but how many?
How many you know? You don't see.
So when they remarry.
Yes, we get 3 children, we don't remarry. Then get 3
How many
children
you don't see?
and they don't remarry.
Okay, how many of them you don't see when married man, when never married before?
Yes.
We don't marry man.
We never married
man with
before.
a single man, one married, but
Yes.
you will get 3 children and one married.
Yes.
How many times did they see?
How many times
It
did they
is
say?
very rare.
So why not stay where you did forgive?
So
the
why
man?
you not stay where you did?
So what it well not be say you no forgive, but you know just fit get over the fact.
Sometimes the man fit just cheat that period. Maybe sometimes women before now they make decision investigate. Maybe he no really mean to do it.
He just wants.
Sometimes if you just dey in a situation, okay,
Traffic don't stress.
we dey watch.
Oh,
So recently,
men are
so me and my wife we dey watch this film again. You know that film of those days, Odysseus.
Yeah, Odysseus,
So
yes.
we watch am again recently. So I come to tell my wife say we start this part where Vanessa Williams she be goddess.
Yes.
Where he hold Odysseus for 2 years. Come
Yes.
say no go. I come to my wife say, nah. Assume say na me be this Odysseus. Now I can't come back tell you say me and my men na so we go one island we one win store my guys to animal. But the gods come tell me say if I don't sleep with her, my men don't go turn back to human being. My say if I leave them as he said, I will ask you, why did you leave them as animals? I say, are you that wicked? He said, so you can't sleep with goddess for 5 years, you can want turn your men to human being. I go say, okay, I like goddess only for 2 years. He said, because say, what if it was me? I had told you that I had to stay with the man for 5 years. I said, women then they leave me and go walk. No,
Never.
guys,
Never.
now I come and say, she said no, it's better me cannot tell her the story. What say I go through before I come back. That the one time I say, I sleep with one woman to save my men.
I want to ask this question. If it cause trouble, if it not cause trouble. She really say women supporting women. Now, it's obvious. Say the population of women, they far higher than the population of men. Now, if it on this setting, say not be every woman go marry. Obviously, not be every woman go marry. I sure see some now where they hear this, where they watch and go talk, say, I will marry in Jesus' name.
Amen.
I agree. Now, it they in your power. Say you get husband. It they in your power to give Cynthia or Jennifer, I don't know her name. Man, we go deal with her. And that man we go deal with her, now your husband. Will you do women supporting women make your husband sleep with her?
No.
So if your husband want marry her, come out.
If the husband won't come marry her second wife, what you go do?
Well,
What are they like to share?
So why not they like to share?
una they like to share.
No,
No! A man cannot share a woman.
Life from history, not be
Life
so
from
God
history,
do am.
not be
Say
so
let
God
woman
do
dey
am.
marry 2 husbands, 3
I don't want
wives.
share.
Now men they get more than one.
I don't want
Why you think say na
want
news?
share.
Why you think say na news e go be? So that you go dey CNN if woman marry 3 husbands. Not be say no dey happen. E dey. Very rare. Na news e go
Na
be.
news e go be.
If dog bite man, na normal thing. If man bite dog, na
Na news.
news. Now, I'm sorry to say this. I dare you. I triple dare you to go Bible and name one man wey get one woman.
Make them learn
I
from.
will wait.
Yes, na. Make them learn from our parents of those days. You get one time my papa come dey carry another woman. Na only my mama dey, but he come dey carry another woman. So we come where the children come dey like, wetin dey do this man? Papa go tell us, any of you that is against this, leave my house. So he go tell us that time. He hold his side, they work for oil company, share and all. So say, any of this, he say, look, anybody wey wan stress me, just leave my house. You understand? It's my house. You are old enough. I'll pay your school fees when you graduate. You leave. No. One day, I sit down my mother down for night. I say, tell me why this man dey here like this. He say, I said they do for their family.
Eh?
You remember this your uncle? How many wives you get? Remember this your uncle? How many others you get? When she come, they point everybody where they are not my papa. Actually, now be the only person who never get more than one. So now in turn,
Okay.
it dey happen for their family.
Okay.
So she doesn't say, well, I know say it go come like this one day. So when I know they stress.
So my question also, on top of this topic we don't discuss today, Lady J, 99% of women say they will not leave their husband if their husband they cheat. Say then go day for the marriage. Now the next question we'll come ask now say, why if you not go leave the husband if they cheat, why not allow make the husband marry the woman come house? They say God forbid.
You see,
Are you not deceiving yourself?
no, they like that deceit. They like the fact say.
Are you not lying to yourself?
And you know why a lot of them don't want that? They don't boast with their friend. My husband can't do that. So they come find and say their husband get. So they will keep her outside, they hide her. They know, so if you eventually bring another girl, because somebody goes, and this say you say your husband no follow. Not be another wife you don't marry, so they no want. Some of them don't go boast. So
why you as a woman in the case?
Wow.
Man,
No
you
boast.
go dey trust man. Adam.
So
You go dey boast because with man.
my papa case, I can't go to tell my pastor about church, you know this. So it's my pastor can say, well, he say in the family tree. So say
papa.
it's either una leave her like that or una pray. We come begin fast.
My
and
papa-
pray. Eventually, shall luckily for us, the man come, the relationship come break. He come
My papa, me I know that my papa dey do Arabanko. My
Say
father,
na
my
Araba.
papa dey do am too much. At least my papa don get one for P5 Goda Street where we grew up for Kakule Kaduna. I grew up for Face Me Slab compound before they come get their own house. Now, he get one tailor house where they learn tailor. He get one sister Auntie Ngozi. We, my papa
Your past, your past was Auntie Ngozi.
Auntie Ngozi. So my papa, I did not know. So my papa one day come me say he come spit for ground. Wow. Come say before this spit dry, make I run go buy something. Now wait say make I run go buy something. My brother he be like from CMS go reach like Ikate.
Now let's talk about that.
No need to go there. My mother don't go. So as I dey come out, now say as Auntie Ngozi dey wear white and black they come. Now I come go backyard where the fowl they stay. Congo hide there. As I say Auntie Ngozi go kata fiata kata fiata kata fiata. And that's a person upon the good. And Auntie Ngozi I can't go buy the thing come back. As another time I can't know how this thing they smell. Because when I come back out, everywhere when they smell one can. Now I say, oh, my papa don't do something. I not see Auntie Ngozi. So my mama said, don't gist me one when he say she enter market.
She enter market.
She enter market go buy something for market. She see my papa hold another woman for hand.
Wow.
Who they waka
Like couple
goes. Oh, like Ned Woko and Regina Daniel.
That's the youth.
Yes, stupid. Yes, stupid. No, my mama said, my papa hold hand with the girl. My mama said she hold me for hand, back my brother for back or something. I can't remember. My papa waka pass am, looking for eye waka pass am.
Your father man.
My papa na gangster.
He don't waka.
He
don't even shake.
But guess what? My man no go anywhere. My man one day come tell me to say, now because of us, I make her stay. Say, now even okay, even if say she want go, he say where she want go. Who want carry her?
Now that comment they make, then they say to my mama tell us. Say,
no, but my mama was a realist. She was a realist. She come talk after she talked that. He say because of us. She come say even if not because of us. Say if she come out, say who go marry her with 3 children?
Exactly. You know, the sense my mama talks because of us, then she stay. If not guys of these days, you hold girl, you see your other girl, your wife, you go release the girl on bail.
Yes.
You get on bail.
Yeah. You're going to settle your issue first, then you'll continue later.
Are you joking?
No, but it's
before I'm like, you don't get confident now, hold on, like in those days.
All I'm saying is cheating between man and woman. It is allowed. Man, you feel cheat. Woman, you feel cheat. Cheating. Me and Pastor Godwin dey here with the talk. Cheating between man and woman is allowed. You can cheat on your husband. You can cheat on your boyfriend.
Really?
No, hold on. I'm going somewhere. You can cheat on your husband. You can cheat on your boyfriend. You man, you can cheat on your wife. You can cheat on your girlfriend. But the truth is, the consequences they different.
Exactly. You get consequences.
You get consequences, but they different. The consequences for the man is lesser compared to the consequences for the woman. So use your tongue, count your teeth.
That is why you need to be sure of what you want, who you want, what you want before you enter.
Exactly.
You understand? So that I know guys when they engaged to girls, they don't tell me, man, my marriage will come next year we'll go marry you. But they talk about men, but yesterday we won't get.
My brother, you dey talk about the man. What of girls when you be say, I don't see, I can't count. My brother, I not fit count. It don't happen to me. Like, man, I no go cut this part and come put up on social media.
It happened to me. It happened to me, sir. My own be say, my tell you my own story.
Okay.
Are they?
No, own Insta blog carry.
I carry up for Insta blog last week. Somebody come to it say, why lady J dey quiet?
I get engaged to the girl.
Yes.
So if I dey go their house, I dey normally pass the main road, main street. This day I won't go visit and I just pass back street. So now that back street she take the escort the guy go. The guy then open now. The guy they work for bank, he get money, he don't hold. That time me I don't serve, I don't try to find my feet, you know. This one are like 2002, 2000, I don't 2003, 2004, I don't try to. So I consider I pass back, I just throw pass by because you get why I do guy with my classmates for school in those days. They always tell me say, God you know they always pass the same road. Because person won't kill you, go know your
You
movement.
will know your movement.
So that their customer I just remember Ben. I don't think I see Ben to finish school. Man pass back. I see them when you don't escort and reach where the guy car dey. You know when you escort and really come turn, come hug, come kiss.
Hey, your lip! 9% the chop!
Jesus! Now I just go back, make you no see me. Come walk out, go back to house, go past the main road, go back, go in. So that before I reach here, I go down reach house. When I reach the house, I say, hey, hi, honey. So the two are fed that you they call me devil. You know what? When I reach here, I don't think I will say, okay, no, I must go take my final one before I.
Yes, my brother. I go collect too.
So I go there. I collect my final one first. Enough. Now I come down and say, so what did they do since? That today don't be say nothing now. I say, okay. But why did they lie? Now I can't tell my what I see.
Yeah.
Well, you know what I said? So you saw that and you still kept
Yes,
I don't understand. Not with my benefit.
Like the one will tell me, like the girl, like my ex-girlfriend, one girl will tell me that I will tell me when I catch her the cheat. Now she tell me I'm not cheating on you, I'm cheating on him with you. Yeah. That one, my brother, I still.
You sleep that night?
No, I sleep. What you concern me? Because I know say I did 400 level. Obong Akpabio.
Hey God.
She dey live for Abuja, but who say too that time? Obong Akpabio, fine girl. My brother, I catch the girl cheating with Kabiru was or something was.
The Kabiru get car.
He get what for you? A big boy for Abuja, they don't get car. I catch the girl, see what I receipt. He said, I don't know who sent me, make I go check the girl back. No, the thing we say, we come back from school. Me and my best friend Effie. Effie come back, Effie girlfriend Lola come back. So all of us supposed to come back on Friday. I don't leave Kaduna, I don't enter Madonna or Kija. I could have not been not come. Saturday morning, I can't go call their landline for her. She get two brothers, Eddie Young and Eniete. He bless in Eddie Young. Oh, Eniete I answer the call. Now, cause Eniete how now? How far? What of she where she did? Say, don't go school now since yesterday. I said, good girl, no come school now. I not tell him, Sha. I can't leave. I can't say, okay, no problem. Then he be like, say, the younger brother, the other one, Eridion, come go call and say, Ima don't call you. Sunday evening, now she can't come back. And she can't come back. Now I can't ask her, say, what's up? What happened? Why, you know, my brother can't say excuse. Say, and that's when the one give you say, baby, if you know what happened, oh, that they don't come out in their elements. Say, so, that was how I packed my bags. I said, let me go and meet my friend Miriam, let us start coming to school. So when I go to her house, her father did not give her the money they wanted to give to her. The father told her to wait the next day. So I said, what's the point? Let me not go home again. Let me not go stay in their house. And I stayed in their house. The father now gave her the money late. That was when we now decided to come to school on Sunday. That I'm here. Now Miriam is in school, I'm here. Me. I agree. My brother, she can't go bath. Something can say, check bag. I don't know who sent me. My brother, I said, I can't go check. Now I see the receipt. I see her name. I see the Kabiru was for the thing. Hotel receipt. What's the name of that hotel? The hotel, I can't remember for Abuja there. And she come back, finish, come back, and they get fine die. Come get small bread like that. I like small, and anything, any size. I like the one the day for body. So I won't take body fine. I can't ask her. And she just come up when they rub cream. I go small star courage. I say no. I'm gonna ask. Amen. Come show her the receipt. So you are cheating on me. My brother, this girl rub cream finish no answer me. And that one pay me. He use me rub cream finish. The next week she just mutter. I'm not cheating on you. I'm cheating on him with you. Hi! My brother wanted to die. But you see, because of say she did 200 level, me I did 400 level. Now my last semester I did. I can't tell myself, say, I could just no, I did second semester. I could everything they there. I could just use her and finish the semester, wiping the sweet. So I could just use her and finish semester. My brother, in all the 2 weeks they can't expel her.
Oh
wow.
Yes, not the 2 weeks.
What they expel her?
Yes, she forged the receipt. So apparently now her money self now they use they pay hotel something. So the money they give her from house, she don't spend the money, can't go forge the receipt. Now from gates now they hold her, even lock her. even lock her up, can't expel her. Now the other thing why I be one talk, my girlfriend, one of my girlfriend will be one man that time. We can't call me. 2 weeks before she married. I know call her my girlfriend. I know her friend, but she can't follow her friend, can't see me. They tell me, my brother, how far? Come and chop talking. Say she get 2 weeks to marry you.
So then your last chance with this.
Yes, say make her come chop before she marry you. Now I can look at her. 2 weeks to marry. Another guy, I can't do this to another guy now. But I look at her, leave her. The next week she can't come Lagos. You know the place where they for Lucky Face. When he came on to be like hotel where they on top, something different. She can't lodge for that place. Let me say, make I come there. Say she did there, make I come. My brother. I not go. As lucky, I won't say lucky for her. I can't go Abuja. That same hotel where her friend may carry her come. I can't stay for that hotel. My brother, she come. Her wedding was 2 days later. This girl open everywhere. Say make I can chop. My brother, I wanted to.
But you know.
But my brother, as I want, now my mind tells me, guy.
They didn't look me well.
I swear my father, I'm not wrong. Baba, I'm not a nice guy, but I'm a good man. My brother, I don't want to do another person. No.
Another person because you know.
No, I know. And guess what? The annoying thing say the girl already called the guy before she even say what could do. He talked to the guy there. So I felt bad for the guy. The guy see we won't marry, they won't come collect, they won't come give me.
Maybe she just want to do the final one. So
Baba, and you know how many girls they do final one? You know how many girls they do final one? That final one now, you don't go say you don't know. Inside, the man go come impregnate, the man go think say na him get the pikin, you don't know say no be one or the other one.
You understand? I cannot do that. Happen like that.
So if you tell man no even go there because the consequences when he upload now, if you no deal with it,
exactly.
If you no get the mind,
so
that guy tell me, he say you can kill. You kept it in your heart, finish what you were doing, and that broke up. I said, I don't understand. I can't go empty handed.
Now my brother walk for the road. If I know say you did cheat on me and I can't like your talking, my brother, that time I go use fork and knife, chop. I go use better fork and knife, spread leg.
You go collect everything. So just be sure where you want to enter, so that when you enter, you know, say you're going to look outside, say you won't go. You
and make una get that conversation.
You there on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.